Biggie? Is that you? What? Did you bring your lunch today? What? It looks like a tiny little Elf on the Shelf lunchbox. Okay, it says the Lucky Lunchbox. With 4 mystery surprises? Who's inside? Whoa! So it says lunchtime, fun time. There's up to 50 lunchtime surprises. So inside, we'll get 4 different things? Are you kidding me, Biggie? Are you kidding me? Well, let's open up this lunchbox and take a look and see what's inside the lunchbox. Okay, so it looks like we have this pink, it's a big thing, and then a medium-sized blue wrapper. And the collector's guide. Wow. Oh my. There's so many different lunchboxes. Okay, guess what ones we think I might get? Oh, sushi. I hope to get sushi because I love sushi. Comment down below what your favorite food in the whole entire world is. Oh, a pink thermos. A pig in a blanket. Wow. Avocado. Oh, I love avocados. Okay, well, let's open this up together as a Spirella family and see what we have to put inside of our lunchbox for Biggie to eat. Okay, so far, it looks like a pink color. It's the pink thermos! I can't believe it. Oh, it's okay. Oh, there's something inside though. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Oh, it's an adorable sticker and it's green, just like Biggie. I can't believe it. Well, Biggie, I'm gonna have to fill this up with syrup for you to take to school today. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, this is so stretchy. Stretchy plastic. What is this? Oh, I can't believe it. It looks like a piece of sushi. Wow, that looks so yummy. Biggie, do you want a bite? And there's one more surprise in here. Inside the sushi? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Wow. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Oh! Oh, it's a little pencil topper. It looks like a little fishy. Oh, she's so cute. Well, Biggie, I guess you're going to be having a delicious lunch to take to school today. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.